Struggling to pick the right product? Use Walmart's Assortment Growth dashboard like a pro. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you where to get free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So if you haven't heard of it, it is the Assortment Growth dashboard, and it's right here on Seller Center, so you can see it's showing stuff. But let me show you how to access it. So you're going to log into seller.walmart.com, and then you're going to go to the Growth tab and the Assortment Growth tab, and you're going to see all of these different recommendations. Now, it depends on what products you sell, but what Walmart's going to do is recommend more items that are in similar or the same categories that you already sell in. So if you sell Monopoly, or you sell One Piece or South Park, it's going to show you those different products. And all you have to do is just click actions. You can view the trends, you can download it, and you can even set up the item in here, or remove the item, or save the item. So there's a lot of different things. There's filters over here that you can go through to see different brands. But one thing that I see right now is number of offers. So you can see how many competitors there are. So we can see right now this One Piece Romance Dawn starter deck. There's only one person selling it, and they're selling it for $42.97. It says competitor price is only $10.40. So somebody on Amazon is selling this for $10.40, which you could buy and then just resell it on Walmart for 42 bucks. Now, think about this. There's only certain buyers that only buy on Walmart. They don't shop on Amazon. There's also certain buyers that only shop on Amazon and don't shop on Walmart. So they might think they're getting a deal when in reality they're getting ripped off. Let's check it out on Amazon. Okay, so it's actually $14. So I could buy a legit one for $14 and then sell it on, will it show me the listing? And then sell it on Walmart for $42.97. That's crazy. Now, it doesn't have any ratings. I don't know how much sales it's getting. So let's see if it shows us how much sales it's getting. So if we click on this actions view trends, we're gonna see if it oh, there we go. It shows the demand. Oh man, the demand's high. Well, this is December. Okay, so this is the holiday season. This was definitely generating a lot of moolah. But right now, it's not really showing the data. Right now, we're in March. So the trend is a little sad. So look, it goes up and then down, and that's normal. So it doesn't have any reviews. It might not be the best product to sell, but this is a great item where you can look at distributors, right? So if you're like, oh, there's only one competitor, you could totally win the buy box on this and dominate this. Let's look at another one, Dragon Ball Z. And again, this one doesn't have a competitor price this time. 32, potential sales, rank 3, ratings count. Yeah, if it has some ratings, it's going to be easier to sell. So if we can find some, here, look, Monopoly Garbage Pail Kids Edition. So let's look at this game, view on Walmart. And this one has, let's see how many competitors. It's out of stock, and it's got pretty solid reviews. Not bad. So this one definitely, it already has reviews. It's out of stock. If we could find a reseller or a distributor, and we could pretty much dominate this market, right? The buy box price is $34.99. On Amazon, they're selling it for $43.99. So again, a lot of leeway here. So we got Digimon, One Piece, Dragon Ball Z, and remember, oh, Clue even down here. This client right here does sell a lot of different board games, a lot of different items. So right now it is recommending similar items like One Piece, card games, Monopoly, Clue, all this fun stuff that they could resell. You can also go to the Explorer tab. Let's look at this. Now, the Explorer tab is just random products. So it looks like it's just giving you random products, not even related to any of the products you actually sell. And it's got different metrics up here. Interesting. But we've got a cordless stick vacuum. Let's zoom in a little bit. Buy box price, competitor. The buy box price is like super small. So it looks like this is still in, the works. But it's pretty awesome. This is pretty cool. Let me see what other data it shows you. Competitor price, ratings count. Oh man, 2,000. I got 22,000 reviews on this. How did they get 22,000 reviews? This is crazy. That's crazy. Okay, this is the official store. You don't want to compete against them. But you can really look at these. Category traffic percentage. So in this category, it's in the large appliance category. This is taking up 75% of all the traffic. This is crazy. So pretty much if you got on one of these items, there's a high chance that you're going to be dominating the market. But again, these are Xbox Series X. I don't like a lot of these recommendations, but I think the ones that are recommended are better. But this is also a good area where you can download it and just see if your distributor or if you have items that you do want to sell, or maybe you can find the distributor for those items because you know that there's no offers or there's one offer. Like the Garbage Pail Kids, I showed you that one. There's like no competitors, right? And you could pretty much come in and make a significant amount of money. So that's pretty much it for the growth and assortment growth tab. Staying towards the end of the video, all you have to do is just type in free Walmart seller training into Google. And then you're going to scroll down. Don't click on any of the sponsored links. The one that's not sponsored is the Seller Academy. And this is the basic training that Walmart actually gives to you for free. You don't even have to sign in to access it. And it literally shows you how to set up products on Walmart. It's got like a step-by-step guide. It's got a video, how to configure fulfillment centers. A lot of the basics that you wouldn't know unless you took like a mini basic course. So this course, honestly, they could have sold or made you charge you for money, but it's a pretty good basic course, and I really recommend that everybody on your team take it if you are selling on Walmart. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how many products you currently sell on Walmart. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.